Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lasagna cream at home. Instead of going to buy the already made one at the shop, you can make it at home and you will love it. And it's also for those that don't like cheese. This can serve you as cheese when you're making your lasagna. It's perfect and it's so delicious, guys. So the ingredients I'm going to be using are 100 grams of butter, 1000 ml of fresh milk, nutmeg, I'm going to be using half a teaspoon, 100 grams of flour, all purpose of flour, salt, and yeah. So the first thing you're going to do, pour the milk into a saucepan over the heat. You have to put the heat on the lowest one because you don't want this milk to boil, okay? You just want to heat up the milk a little. So now I'm going to be adding the nutmeg into the milk, then followed by salt. You can also add black pepper, which is optional. So now I'm adding a little bit of salt into the milk. Stir them all up together and allow them to stay over the heat. Like I said, don't allow the milk to boil. On another saucepan over the heat, I'm going to melt the butter. So allow the butter to melt completely, or you can actually mix the butter and the flour together and they will melt. So now that the butter is well melted, I'm going to add the flour into the butter, and you can actually use 80 grams of flour instead of 100 grams of flour, okay? So now I'm going to cook them on a medium heat for 4 minutes until they started boiling, like when the flour started to become light, because you need the flour to be well cooked to get rid of that flour taste. So as you can see here, they are boiling, and I'm going to leave them a little bit longer until you have that light consistency of the mixture. That is when you're going to add the milk. So just go ahead and continue stirring them until the mixture become light, which they are right now. So I'm going to add the milk that was over the heat. The milk did not boil. Don't allow your milk to boil, please. So quickly turn the heat down on the lowest and use your hand whisker to continue to stir them for 3 minutes to have that light consistency of the cream. But if you want it to be as thick, very thick, you can cook them over for more than 3 minutes. But one thing about it is that when you leave them, if you are not using them immediately, they are going to thicken up immediately. So I think that 3 to 4 minutes is enough for them. And also I'm going to say, in case if you are not using them immediately and they thicken up, all you need to do is to add extra milk into them and allow them over a medium heat, low heat. Stir them until they become liquid again. So I'm just stirring them up just to allow them to be up to 3 minutes, or to get to that consistency that I'm looking for, which is a light cream, not very thick cream. So I hope you find this video helpful. The bechamel is cooked, is done, and yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.